Women are neglecting their health. In fact, a recent survey finds only about half had a physical or dental appointment in the last year. Even fewer, just over a third, visited a gynecologist. Women reported several factors keeping them from making these crucial visits. Faye McCrae with Health Grades is joining us via Zoom this morning to dive into this. Health Grades, of course, conducted this survey. So what factors are preventing women from committing to their yearly health checkups?
Well, thank you for having me. The leading cause of canceled appointments is cost concerns. 1 in 3 women are saying that high out-of-pocket expenses are a top reason that they've delayed, skipped, or avoided medical care, while only 1 in 5 men list cost as a reason. Another common reason that women skip care is convenience. We forget to schedule, or it's tough to find options that are convenient.
Faye, do you also find that women just get so busy and they're so preoccupied with taking care of everyone else in the family that they tend to neglect themselves?
Absolutely, absolutely. We're the chief health officers of our families. We take care of everyone, but we leave ourselves on the back burner.
All right, so you also found about 81% of women read reviews before they're scheduling an appointment. And, we always encourage our viewers, by the way, to do their research when they're considering any service, so that's a good thing. What does your research, though, reveal about what women are specifically looking for in a physician?
Yeah. So finding the right doctor can be like dating, right? So a lot of times you want to ask, are they compatible with me? Do they have experience with a specific condition or procedure that matters the most to me? And also, you want to find out if they work for a high quality hospital. And Health Grades makes it very easy to find all that information in one place.
Sometimes patients may also find, particularly if they've not seen a doctor in a while, that, it's easy to find the doctor. They kind of check the box, but they're not accepting new patients. I mean, what's your advice for people who can't get into the doctor that they feel like is the best one for them?
Yeah, that's a great question. I mean, one of the great things about Health Grades is you can find so many options. You can find a litany of options. So I would say keep digging, don't give up, and just keep making those calls. I mean, I think that persistence is really key to making sure you prioritize your health.
And there's some tools to find the right fit, right?
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. I mean, we have reviews on Health Grades where you can find out what other people are saying, what matters to them, and finding out if that also matters to you. And again, we have hospital ratings where you can find out what hospitals the doctors are affiliated with and whether or not they meet kind of the criteria for the things that you're looking for in your care.
And most importantly, and we don't have to remind our viewers, again and again, but the reality is that skipping these annual visits in the long run are not good for your health, which is why it's so important that we women take better care of ourselves. Faye, thanks for your time this morning. We appreciate it.
Absolutely. Thank you.